Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question if it's a good thing to mount something on a palm tree. I'm here not talking about specific palm tree, it's just any random palm tree, but I think it's pretty much same everywhere. So I have drilled already a lot of holes into this tree and I never had any problems. But still, is it really a good thing? So I have been doing a lot of research in the internet about that, and it looks like most people are not doing a lot of research. They are just doing it, they're just mounting things on a palm tree, they're just drilling into that, and most never get any problem. They think, okay, that's fine, that's no problem, we can continue with that. And just lately, or like a couple of days ago, I mounted a larger thing. It was like a street light, and I was a little bit worried, so I did a little bit of more research and I found something which scared me a lot, and I definitely stopped it. So what I have found, so there are actually two things which are not very good for mounting things on a palm tree. The first thing is that they are saying that palm trees do not have like the capability to heal themselves. So when you make a hole, the hole will be there almost forever, and this will be a nice opening for insects or other like bugs and whatsoever to go inside and then slowly destroy the palm tree from inside. There is nothing which will make this thing recovering, healing, and there's also not much protection. It's total different thing compared to normal tree. Palm trees, I've heard they are more like a large grass and not like a tree. It's totally different, even though the wood is very hard and it makes it very attractive. I mean, the trunk is also very straight, so it's very easy to mount something, but I think it's really not a good thing. It can be really dangerous for the palm tree. Of course, a lot of people are doing that and it won't kill instantly the palm tree, but it's just like Russian roulette, either it kills it or not. And it would be a shame to kill such a wonderful, large, beautiful palm tree just with something like that. And the second thing, of course, is what I have noticed, that usually there are things coming down. Of course, it depends on the type of palm tree, but a lot of palm trees have large or heavy things which are coming down. I mean, it doesn't have to be a coconut. They are dropping some large bunches of fruits, and some of these can easily weigh like 20 pounds, and when it hits something which you have mounted like a camera or light or whatsoever, it will definitely destroy it. Also the leaves, I mean the leaves of a palm tree can be super hard and super heavy, and if it hits something, there's a large likelihood that it will destroy it. So after that, I've been reading about this shocking news. I've started to remove everything from the tree, and I've started to filling up the holes with just normal Elmer's glue. I mean, it's called wood glue. I mean, it's not intended, I think, to put it on wood specifically. I mean, maybe there are better things which you could use, but I wanted to make it as fast as possible, and it definitely is sticking nicely. And I think Elmer's glue is not really poison or has a large toxicity or something like that, and it closed the holes really nicely. So I hope I've been able to save this palm tree, and I highly recommend to remove also your stuff and do not drill more, and also maybe put something into the holes which could protect from causing more damage to the tree. So this is it. This is my opinion after doing a lot of research. It would be really interesting to learn also from your side. What's your experience? Have you also mounted such things on your palm trees? What has happened? What's the long-term effect? And so please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.